I have this Toyota RAV4 here. One of the problems that I've had repeatedly with this vehicle is the headlight situation. They seem to burn out very quickly. On top of that, they're very dull lights. It doesn't illuminate the road very well at all. So I got these LED headlights from Foreigner. Let me show you what these look like and tell you a little bit about them. And this is what they look like. You see they got the little cooling fan here, and then the lights on the side there like that. So look quite a bit different than your traditional bulb. These actually have 34,000 lumen high intensity light. It's 900% brightness. This has a 18,000 RPM cooling fan to help dissipate the heat that this can generate. Now, I like these because not all of them are. These are a plug and play. I should just be able to take this, plug it right into the existing connector, and it'll work. I don't have to have anything else special to make this one work. They say these are waterproof, and I should get 60,000 plus hour lifespan out of them. So let's give it a shot. Here's the old bulb. Here's the new one. Look the same there. Same basic design. It's got these three prongs on top and on the side here. Let's put the new one in. Here's the old bulb compared to the new one. Quite a bit difference. Let's turn on these new LED headlights and see what they look like. Okay, so I have the passenger holding the camera while I'm driving. One of the things that I'm very impressed with is not only the brightness, but the span from left to right. It gives me a much wider angle to see everything. Looks great. So these truly are just a plug and play. Literally took me seconds, less than a minute on each side to change this out. Just unplug the, you just have to twist the light out, unplug the connector, plug the new one in, put the other one in and twist. It was super simple, very, very quick, easy to install, no other parts needed. If you're looking to increase the brightness of your headlights, thinking about going LED, check these ones out from Foreigner. They've really improved the brightness on my vehicle, and so far I'm really impressed.